So today's a little bit of a late start to the vlog. I didn't even know if I was gonna pick the vlog up today or not and like actually film something. I didn't really know what I could film, but last night Josh Revitalized hit me up and wanted to shoot today and asked if I'd be down, and I'm always game to shoot with Josh. He has some of my favorite photos by far. But so I'm just getting ready now. I have to take the Z out. It's always clean because of the coating on it, so I'm really not particular anymore with my car because it's always clean. Like I don't really have to touch it, so that's a big plus. But I'm gonna take the car out, and he said we're meeting at 5:30, so I might go a little bit early, try to take a couple pictures of my own, and then I can just get there like on my own pace, don't have to drive fast. So car's out, neighbors are probably pissed. I haven't been here for a while, so honestly they don't have an excuse to be pissed. But everything seems to be good after my trip. I'm always like kind of nervous to drive the car and see if there's gonna be a problem with it after I've been driving it for a long time, but so far it seems like it's good. Yep, for anyone of you wondering, I'm like max out this car. I'm so scared to get aftermarket seats because the stock ones I barely still fit in the car, and I'm super nervous about getting seats, but that's what I want next. I'm probably gonna have to get the lowest seat rails, and then I can't get buckets because if I don't fit in them then it's just a waste of money. So I'm probably gonna get reclinables, but I'll let that be up to you guys to wonder what I'm gonna get. But a hint is that it's gonna match my steering wheel. Okay, quick update. This highway sucks. I always forget. Here, we're gonna hit one right now. Yeah, that. There's like mines all over this road that you have to hit because there's no way around them. They're in like every lane. There's two right there. They're everywhere on this highway and they suck. You start driving and you get up to speed. Luckily there's traffic, so I'm not going fast. But usually I have to like mob through 6 lanes at a time just to miss them. So we're almost there at the spots. The airport's like right off to my right, so I'm gonna get off the highway and then I'll see you guys at the spot. Okay, made it. This is the spot. It's hard to describe what it is, but it's right by the airport, and people call it Line Road or whatever you'd say, but it's like where they test paint for the roads, and it goes all the way down this hill, and it has a big sky overlook. So you can see planes flying right there, but it's got all this. The sun's gonna set right over there to get pretty sweet photos right here. It wasn't that bad of a drive, so it's worth coming here. And once the sun starts going down, like the colors of the road, like the yellow and then the gold in the car is gonna start kind of matching. So I think it'd be pretty cool if like, pretty cool shoot location. I haven't been here in a while, so the sun's still pretty harsh right now, so I don't know if I'm even gonna try to take any photos right this second, but I came early just to, I don't know, I'll probably even just play on my phone, like post something. I am gonna walk around and look for nails, because that's like one of my most feared things, is to run over a nail on a road like this. But I'll walk down and give you guys a little bit more of a perspective of this hill. So you can basically park up anywhere. Like I'm right at the top of it, so it's pretty cool. And there's not much traffic. Like you'd think this road would be busy, but it's like a split in between a main road that goes like over there and then behind it. So it's not really that big of a deal to be parked here. No one really bothers anybody. So I've been here before a couple times, but never shot here before with my car. I've shot other people's cars here, like my friends and stuff, but. And then these things are cool too. The things in the background right there, they light up at night and go red. So if we're here long enough, it'll be pretty cool to do like kind of a sunset and then kind of night shot. And then the coolest part, like they're far away, but the planes fly all around here. I'd say this isn't really I'd say this really isn't the best spot to get planes in the background because it's not that close to like the landing strip of the airport. There's another spot you can go down the road for that, but I like this spot and I'm already liking like the way the car's just sitting there, so hopefully it'll be a good shoot. Josh always comes through. He always has some of my favorite shots, so we'll probably wait here. I might try to get like a post or two like queued up on Instagram. I usually like doing that because it takes so long to post, and for how many like people I tag, how much I like think about the caption. And if you look, and you should look because I take pride in this, every photo, all my tags are like properly laid out like in a nice row to make it look good with the photos. So, like, it takes a long time to post. So when I do that and I have spare time, I'll usually like queue up a post so that if I don't have time or I want to post but I just don't feel like sitting there for like 30 minutes, I already have a post ready to go and then I can just post it and it's already done. So that's a little insight to what I do sometimes. We'll go take a walk, check out Josh's car. He's off shooting right now. The sun, I didn't pick up the camera fast enough, but the sun is going down, so right now it's like prime time to take pictures, but we'll go take a little stroll while he's doing his thing and check out his car. His car has always been nice, like clean, nice, stance car, functional. He drives it every day, but this is Josh's car. And it's just like, it's not simple in the fact that there's not a lot done to it, because there is, but it's just like a clean, simple, done car. Nice work wheels, refinished to fit his car, and like, it's nice too. Like, the way it sits is perfect in my opinion. It has the upgraded tails, which do all the fancy lights, quad tips, which he got custom like a little bit ago. And then he's just got like little things like his carbon fiber little like roof lip there. I've wanted one for my car too, but this thing is just like, it's clean, it's nice. But me and Josh have known each other for quite a while. Like, he shot my car a few times here and there, and then this year we've been shooting a lot more together. We'll go back now, check out what he's doing, but yeah, from here the car looks sick. So here, look what I'm seeing. There we go. That's basically what I'm seeing right now, and it looks pretty cool.
Okay, stay again, the heading there, friend.
So that's the car right now. This thing is so awkward to hold. Dude, when I was away on my trip, like, oh my god, it like sucks. It's not as bad as you'd think to like stare at it and like record, but it's like, it's awkward, one. Two, it's like everyone stares at you. So I'm still getting used to it, but it's not bad. Like, it's recording now, but you kind of just honestly have to talk to it and like pretend like it's not there because it gets so awkward. I don't know how many times I like mess up because I just like, I know people are gonna watch it. I'm like, oh, that sounded so dumb. Like, I gotta redo it. Because like, you get nervous, but it's not terrible. Like, I brought it around when I was away on my trip and I like tried to film stuff. But like, honestly, the hard part was like, it's like such a big thing to like carry. Like, I want to have a holster so I can put it in my like pocket, because you like go to get like dinner and stuff and you're like, okay, now I have my like, yeah, now I have my expensive ass camera set up just like out on the table. And I'm like, no, I don't want to leave this thing like just sitting out. Alright, so I haven't really picked up the camera much. Me and Josh were talking and kind of shooting and stuff. It's super dark now. I'll turn on one of these lights. Yeah, the bright as hell lights. But she went well. Pretty sure we got a couple good pictures. More than a couple, honestly. Josh always comes through and gets good shots. But it's dark now. I'm going to reverse out of here because I don't want to go down this road, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to bottom out or do something that I won't want to do to my car. And then I'll get you guys back at my house. Alright, made it home, guys. I thought that was going to be the end of my night right there, because the tire pressure light comes on. I have a sensitive tire pressure like sensitive tire pressure sensors in the car, which is a good thing but a bad thing, because I always get scared when it happens because it comes on for like the most random reasons, and because of the temperature change it came on. So the tires weren't really up to like temperature as they usually are, so it came on, freaked me out, and I was like, great, here we go, there's probably a nail in my tire. Fixed it, went to get air, filled it up, went away, so that's good. Car's away. So the shoot was fun. We got a lot of good pics. He showed me a couple of them, so I'm excited to see those. And then it's all just about honestly like building content for the winter, because once winter rolls around, like the car isn't driving around and it starts to become race season, which I'll explain to you guys more in like upcoming videos. Honestly, just getting back from Gatlinburg, there's not much to do. So the shoot was kind of something I figured I could pick the camera up and film a little bit of. I didn't do the best of jobs, but I'm getting better and hopefully will get better. So if I even end up posting this is a short video, but hopefully that'll change and I'll start getting more content rolling through for you guys, and I'll be able to do, at least for sure in the near future, I want to get a video posted of just like a sit down breakthrough of my car, kind of ask you guys some questions on Instagram and have you like ask me some questions and see what you guys want to see and what questions you want to be answered, and I can answer them in the video. So until then, I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully with time these videos will get better and more progression will come from these videos, and it's fun to do them, so it's not as bad as I thought, honestly. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.